Take a deep breath. Fresh air, pure oxygen. We do it thousands of times a day without thinking. But have you ever wondered how this invisible gas came to surround our planet? What sustains every heartbeat, every thought, every complex form of life was once a deadly poison, a mystery that nearly destroyed Earth before saving it. This is the story of oxygen, the killer turned creator, and how one of the greatest enigmas in planetary history was solved. Get ready, because what you're about to discover will change the way you breathe forever. Long before the air was clear, our planet was a chaotic sphere blanketed in harmful gases and devoid of life as we know it. This harsh environment laid the groundwork for a revolution, a transformation sparked by small, unassuming organisms that thrived in the depths of the oceans. These microscopic powerhouses unleashed oxygen into the atmosphere, turning a poisonous world into one ripe for life. As they multiplied, the very substance that threatened existence became the foundation for complex ecosystems, leading to the flourishing diversity we see today. Let's travel back more than 3 billion years to an alien world, green murky oceans, skies painted red with methane, and not a single trace of oxygen in the air. Life was simple and microscopic, with bacteria clinging to survival in extreme conditions. But something extraordinary was about to happen. As these remarkable bacteria evolved, they began to harness sunlight, altering the very fabric of our planet and paving the way for the oxygen revolution. These ancient organisms, known as cyanobacteria, thrived in the oceans, proliferating and releasing oxygen, gradually transforming Earth's atmosphere into one that could sustain more complex life. With the rise of oxygen, life began to flourish as multicellular organisms emerged, leading to a remarkable explosion of biodiversity that set the stage for complex ecosystems. Deep in those oceans, tiny organisms began to do something revolutionary: photosynthesis. They were cyanobacteria, the invisible engineers of the future. They captured sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, and as waste they released oxygen. At first, this oxygen never reached the air. It was absorbed by minerals, rusting iron, and rocks staining oceans red. For millions of years, Earth swallowed every atom of oxygen, until it couldn't anymore. Then one fateful day, the oceans could hold no more. The oxygen began to escape into the atmosphere, creating a breathtaking change. The skies turned a brilliant blue, welcoming new life to flourish on land. This wave of oxygen sparked a remarkable evolution, giving rise to plants and animals, each adapting to their changing environment. The invisible engineers had set the stage for a planet teeming with life, reshaping Earth's destiny forever. Then it happened. Around 2.4 billion years ago, oxygen began to flood the atmosphere. This moment is known as the Great Oxidation Event, and it was an apocalypse. For most life at the time, oxygen was toxic. Countless species of microbes,